Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just call it Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart at that point in time. So really the big dynamic that's occurred, and I talked about this in the past videos this week, is that the price got the breakout up above this former area of resistance, which you would then want to see act as support. And not only did it hold as support, but now it's kind of acted as a new little launch point here to get the price continuing on up. So as I do the video right now, that we're right in the middle of a breakout. Sure, right now at this exact moment in time, the price is doing a little bit of consolidation, but point being, the price is broken out. So going into the weekend, it's really just how much more momentum, how much more power is this breakout going to get? Now, the first question, just to kind of almost like a safety check question, if you will, is, when you pull this, let's just say you're watching this Sunday evening. So Sunday evening, when you're watching this, just quickly ask yourself, okay, where's the price at relative to 8,100? As long as you are answering the question that the price is still up above 8,100, then the breakout is still perfectly fine. Because I realize that may sound a little goofy, because yeah, you could be watching it, and the price maybe has come all the way back down here, is now just hovering right around there. Well, even at that point in view, and I'm not saying that'll happen, but think about it. Let's say that were the case on Sunday evening. That'd still give you a set of lows there, lows there, lows there, lows down there, if you envision these as stair steps. So from the big picture point of view, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. Now, I'm not saying, like I said, the price is pulling back to 8,100. I'm just trying to say and define kind of why that's, as long as the price is above there, then as far as, the chart being totally safe, yeah, absolutely. Now, even if the price were down below 8,100, does that mean that the total chart is ruined? No. Does that mean the chart's lost some of its attractiveness? Yeah, absolutely. But there's a big difference between a chart being totally ruined and losing attractiveness. And, kind of that 8,100 point is that mark that defines, whether or not, the chart is really firing on all cylinders, or if it's lost a little bit of its attractiveness. Now, if the price is somehow down below 7,600, at that point, the chart there's something severely wrong with it, but I highly doubt you're going to be answering the question in that way. And then on the flip side of things, and this is where you just got to let your gut instincts and common sense take over. If you're watching this, video on, like I said, Sunday evening, and you're saying, well, Clay, not only is the price up above 8,100, the price is way up there at, let's just say, 9,000. Well, at that point in time, that's pretty commonsensical, right? That would imply that not only has this breakout remained strong, but it's gotten that much stronger. So from that point of view, like I said, just let your gut instincts and common sense carry on through. But all in all, very nice chart. The breakout is underway. So like I said, the big question going into the weekend now is just how much momentum can the breakout get? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.